In front of me is TCL Plex, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Apps after scrolling down. Then hit Default Apps. Tap on one of those sections you wish to manage, like Browser app, and apply an app that you wish to switch with your current one. When you finished, just go back. As you can see after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!